Hey everyone, welcome in. Ready to dive into some seriously cool tech today.
Always. What do we got?
AI voice agents. You guys sent over tons of questions about this AI Compass report. AI voice agents revolutionizing customer service and saving businesses money. Clearly this stuff has piqued your interest.
Can't say I'm surprised. It's a hot topic for good reason.
Absolutely. So are we finally saying goodbye to those clunky old phone menus, the ones that leave you yelling representative at your phone in frustration?
Out with the old, in with the AI, though it's way more than just replacing phone menus, right? The potential here is huge.
Right. The report doesn't hold back, calling this a whole new era for customer service. And we've all seen those basic chatbots, but this feels different.
Night and day. This is next level stuff. We're talking natural language processing, speech recognition, even advanced AI, all coming together
To create
a customer service experience that actually feels, well, human.
no more robotic monotone, just reading off a script.
Gone. And the AI Compass report really breaks down the how. They're using what they call natural language understanding. It's not just about recognizing words, it's about understanding what the customer actually means.
So like actual comprehension, not just keyword matching.
Exactly, which is why the report uses that revolution word. It's not hyperbole.
Makes sense. Okay, so revolutionary tech, check. But with that comes a whole list of potential benefits, and this report highlights the big ones: 24/7 availability, cost effectiveness, gathering valuable customer data.
Music to a business owner's ears, right?
Sure, but let's be real. Those are some big claims. I'm sure we've all been burned by so-called revolutionary tech before. What's the reality check here?
It's not hype. And the cost savings alone are a great example. AI Compass found businesses using their voice agents saw an average 30% reduction in customer service operating costs.
Okay, wait, 30%. That's massive.
Right. Think of all the money poured into call centers, training, dealing with complaints. AI voice agents can handle a huge chunk of those routine inquiries.
Freeing up human agents, too.
Tackle the really complex issues, the stuff AI isn't equipped for.
Smart. So real cost savings, not just marketing fluff. But the report also dives into data collection, and this is where things get really interesting.
Absolutely. Because these agents aren't just answering questions, they're gathering incredibly valuable data from every interaction.
What kind of data are we talking?
Customer preferences, pain points, buying patterns, you name it, it's all being tracked. And more importantly, it's being analyzed.
So instead of just reacting to problems, businesses can use that data to get ahead of the curve. Personalize offers, improve service.
Maybe even predict what a customer needs before they even ask.
That's next level. And this ties into another big benefit mentioned in the report: scalability.
Right. No matter how big a company gets, these agents can handle the volume. Always on, always ready to assist.
Which is essential in today's world. It's not just about keeping up, it's about being able to scale up on a dime.
Exactly. And that peace of mind is invaluable for businesses.
Okay, so we've covered the tech behind these AI voice agents, some major benefits. But let's get into real-world applications. The report touches on e-commerce, healthcare, technical support. There's a lot to unpack. Feels like we've all seen those stock photos, right? Robots doing every job imaginable. But I want to get into the nitty-gritty. How are these voice agents actually being used by real businesses? Give me an example.
Okay, imagine this. You're online, shopping for a new coffee maker. You know, one with all the bells and whistles.
Ooh, yeah, I like where this is going.
So instead of endless scrolling, a friendly AI voice agent pops up. Hey there, it says, I see you're checking out coffee makers. What kind of coffee lover are you? And you tell it you're all about that espresso life, and boom, it recommends the perfect machine. Maybe even throws in a discount on some fancy beans.
It's like having a personal shopper, but for, like, everything.
Right. Or picture calling your doctor's office. But instead of navigating that phone tree from hell,
Oh, tell me about it.
you're greeted by a calm, reassuring voice. You say you need an appointment, and it just takes care of everything.
No more phone tag, no more repeating yourself to 5 different people.
Exactly. It's about making the experience smooth, easy, painless.
I like it. So we've got cost savings, personalized experiences, 24/7 availability. This is starting to sound too good to be true. Which brings me to the big question that always comes up with AI.
The robots are taking over our jobs.
Exactly. Is this the end of the customer service rep as we know it?
It's a valid concern. And to be fair, the report acknowledges that AI will automate certain tasks. But, and this is key, it's not about replacing humans entirely. It's about augmenting our capabilities. Think collaboration, not hostile takeover.
Okay, so robots and humans working together in perfect harmony. I like the sound of that, but how?
Think of it this way. AI handles those repetitive tasks, answering basic questions, scheduling, the stuff that makes you want to bang your head on the desk.
Makes sense. Freeing up human agents too.
Focus on what we humans do best. Complex problem solving, building relationships, providing that human touch AI can't replicate.
So robots do the boring stuff, humans do the stuff that requires a human. Everybody wins.
Precisely. And the report even highlights how AI will create new jobs.
Oh, really? Like what?
We'll need people to design, implement, and manage these systems. Data analysts, conversation designers, even AI trainers. These roles become even more critical.
So it's not about job elimination, it's about job evolution.
Exactly.
Which makes a lot of sense. But it sounds like businesses really need to adapt now if they want to stay ahead of the curve. Would you agree with the report that now's the time to invest?
100%. The tech is ready, customers are comfortable talking to their devices, and early adopters, they'll have a serious competitive edge.
It's like those early adopters who got on the internet back in the day.
Yeah.
They had a huge head start.
The report actually makes that comparison. Remember when businesses were hesitant to even have websites?
Oh, I remember those days. Sounds crazy now.
Right. And look how quickly that changed. AI Compass sees AI voice agents at that same tipping point.
Okay, so we've established this tech is here to stay, the potential is huge, and the time to get on board is now. But let's talk about AI Compass specifically. They seem to be positioning themselves as more of a partner than just a provider. Why is that distinction important?
Because a one-size-fits-all approach just won't cut it with AI.
Too many variables.
Every business is different challenges, different goals. AI Compass gets that. They're not selling software off the shelf. They're offering custom AI solutions tailored to each business.
So it's more of a collaborative process.
Absolutely. They work with businesses to figure out the best way to integrate the tech to ensure it's a good fit.
It sounds like they're not just handing you a tool, they're giving you the whole toolbox and showing you how to use it. It's a whole different ballgame, right?
Yeah.
Not just about making things a little smoother, but really rethinking how businesses connect with customers.
And that's what I find so exciting. We're not just talking about incremental improvements here. We're talking about a fundamental shift.
It's easy to get bogged down in the day-to-day, but when you zoom out, feels like we're on the edge of something big.
We are. And the AI Compass report actually touches on this. They say the businesses that really thrive in this new world, they'll be the ones who use AI not just to automate, but to understand.
Understand their customers better, understand their own data better.
Exactly. Unlocking insights that were hidden before, making smarter decisions, creating those hyper-personalized experiences.
And that's an exciting future.
It is. And for anyone listening who's feeling that same excitement, go check out the demo on AI Compass's website. Seeing this in action is really something else.
It's one thing to read about it, but actually hearing these AI voice agents,
Yeah.
way more impactful.
Agreed.
Well, on that note, huge thank you to you for lending your expertise today.
My pleasure. Always happy to talk about this stuff.
And to you, dear listener, thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of AI voice agents. Hopefully you're walking away with as much food for thought as we are. If you've got questions, predictions for the future, whatever's on your mind, head over to our social media. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and as always, keep diving deep.